has been so far incredible. We have been inundated with really brilliant conversations with what I would say is our direct audience. So those who are also interested in climate technology, whether they're companies, investors.
For me, so far, it's been a great show for us. We've had lots of interest. We've got a great spot here. We're getting lots of kind of footfall.
So I think it's fabulous. I think it's been buzzing all morning. I think the reason I'm only here by myself now is because most of my colleagues have probably already run through their voices this morning.
I did a lot of kind of climate action work during COVID on Zoom. It was actually brilliant for bringing people together across big geographical differences. But it is great to see people face to face. It's great to be able to physically hand something out.
And there's a lovely vibe to the place. There's lots of people, there's lots of interest. People are really engaged, they're asking sensible questions.
You know, it's building an awareness with regards to what's available out there, what's coming. There's some really innovative companies here that have got some amazing ideas.
So the surprise factor is on both sides. We are surprised at what other businesses are doing, and they are surprised at what we are actually doing and operating.
It's been really busy of it, and we've been doing a few conferences over the past few months, and this has definitely had the most kind of footfall at our stand.
It's a brilliant place for great ideas and people to come together and discuss, and you absolutely need that to solve such a big challenge like climate change.
This event is very important because to be able to tackle the plastic waste and the climate change, we need a lot of collaboration across the whole value chain.
The event is wonderful. We get to meet a lot of people and there is so much of knowledge transfer going on.
So I came here as a speaker, and that presentation was one of the most engaged audiences I've seen in any presentation. This kind of event is absolutely critical to giving confidence to the sector. There's a lot of opportunity, and this is the place to find out where that is.
The level of certainly the participants, the companies turning up, diversity also of the speakers, I think this is very, very exciting.
You see how many people are here, very actively engaging in discussion, so it's very lively, and I think there are very different people are visiting this event from different backgrounds, different approaches.
Yeah, I mean, I think the great point of this event is you're bringing together a whole load of businesses that have actually got it. They're actually driving to do something in climate and improve the situation.
Here now there is partnership formed, and I think the partnership is the new leadership. It's like that's when we form partnership, then we can make things happen. So the partnership approach that you create in an event like this will drive the change quicker.
What is most important to do is to create a narrative of can do, because otherwise we think we're doomed, there's nothing we can do, but in reality there is a lot we can do through technology and also change in behaviors. And events like this are really important to raise awareness about the fact that we can win the challenge of climate change.